Good morning, guys. It's day 3rd of December. It is a cold morning. It got really cold overnight, so I am in my Billy wearable blanket, which you'll be seeing a lot this Vlogmas. I want to get right in and get on with my advent calendars today. So first one, my tea from my Kusmi tea calendar. Number 3 is here near the tea shop. They're very well hidden, I have to say. They're very camouflaged, makes it a little bit more fun, and I gotta hunt around for them. This one sounds interesting. It's called Aqua Rose. It's a flavor blend of hibiscus, blackberries, fruits, and herbs. That is right up my street. I think I'm gonna enjoy that one. And then Fabric Godmother time. Day 3, found that one quite easily in the corner there. All right, sewing tip of the day, use jersey scraps to make underwear. I always intend to do that, honestly I do, and I just don't get around to it. I've made one pair of underwear and I really do want to make more because I love that pair, but I'll get there. This is a little pack of buttons. These are very special. So I've got 5 small buttons. They're kind of like a shirt size button. They look like they're mother of pearl. They're very pearlescent, and they've got these little stars. So there's like glittery stars, a couple of shades. But if you look at the back, you might see what I mean. It really looks like mother of pearl to me. Wow. These are fancy buttons, guys. Fabric Godmother, they are bringing the fancy this Christmas. So it is breakfast time for me. I'm gonna have some cinnamon raisin toast this morning with some standard English breakfast tea. I'll be making my fancy Kusmi tea a bit later, and I will show you what we get up to. My husband and I are just having a walk around the local area. We're on our way to the supermarket. We wanted to pick a few things up, but I wanted to pick up something to make some cookies. My hope is to get organized and start making my Christmas cookies early. So I'm gonna pick up some bits and I'll show you our walk along the way. Exciting moment here, guys. I have spotted my first Christmas postbox topper. Dee 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 dee. Oh, we got a snowman and a robin. And I don't know, is he just a chick? I don't know if he's supposed to be Christmassy, but they're cute. I really like this hat. I actually want that hat. It's a little small for me though. Excellent. Something on the post box. It's a whole Santa Rudolph scene. Very good. We've even got a chimney. Number 2, guys. Second post box topper. To pick some things up, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to bake today. The main thing that I was hoping to get are these magic stars. So these are made by Mars. They're, I think it must be the Milky Way chocolate because they say Milky Way on them. But these I wanted to get to make some. Usually these are made with Hershey Kisses in the States, so peanut butter cookies with a little Hershey Kiss on top. but I can't get Hershey Kisses in the UK unless I want to pay silly money for them. And I felt like any kind of chocolate, solid chocolate on top should work. So I'm going to be making those. And then the other thing I wanted to get something for is to make some mint meringue cookies. So I've seen a recipe for mint meringues, peppermint meringues, and you sandwich two together, just little bite-sized ones, sandwich them together with chocolate ganache. The reason I wanted to make both of these is because they both freeze well. So the peanut butter chocolate cookies, you can just stick in the freezer and defrost them up to 3 months later. So good for easy Christmas baking. And then the peppermint meringues, you can make the meringues and freeze those, and then you just do the ganache filling nearer the time. So I picked up some peppermint, it's American peppermint extract, and then just some green food coloring, because I feel like green always makes things look a bit minty, so you know that it's going to be a minty taste when you eat it. So yeah, too late to start baking today, but I'm hopefully going to make at least one of the batches of cookies tomorrow. I'm not necessarily committing to making them any particular day. It's more just about getting ahead of myself and making them here and there where I can. Right now, I want to sit down in the nice warm, because it was very cold outside, and have a nice cup of tea from my Advent tea, because I've been looking forward to that one. So the tea turned out to be really good. It's actually very similar to one that I get from Sainsbury's though. So it was a loose tea that I get from Sainsbury's that is berry and hibiscus, which I really do like. So if you are a fan of a berry tea, I would recommend that one. I have done some yoga. It was a bit of a tougher one today, so I definitely pushed myself, but good to push yourself. And I'm gonna get dinner going now. I'm gonna be making some potato, chorizo, and thyme quesadillas. It's one from the Oaxaca cookbook by Thomasina Mears. If I can find a link to it, I will put it down below. We're also gonna be having some leftover Mexican rice. The second day Mexican rice is actually my favorite more than the day of Mexican rice, because when I reheat it I get a little bit crunchy, and I feel like that caramelization just makes it extra delicious. I am leaning towards a movie night tonight. I haven't talked to my husband about it. We'll see what he thinks, but it's Saturday night, so it seems like a good option. But I will update you guys tomorrow with whatever we do get up to this evening, and I hope that you are doing well and having a good day, evening, whatever. I never know when people are watching these videos because I watch them all various times of day as well. But I hope to see you tomorrow one way or another. Bye! So my husband and I are out braving the cold. It is proper cold, guys, but we decided Saturday night we wanted to have a movie night, and to have a proper movie night we need to go get some movie snacks. So we are out picking some stuff up, and boy are we going to appreciate getting back home and curling up with a movie.